To every man who ever felt lost, weak, or unsure, you are not alone. I too once sat in silence with clenched fists, not knowing what to do with the rage and confusion inside me. I had no direction, no structure, and no code. I believed masculinity was about strength and dominance alone. But I was wrong. Masculinity is not about appearing strong. It is about becoming unshakable. Let me take you on a journey. One that begins in the shadows of self-doubt and ends in the light of clarity. You will not be coddled here. I will not speak to your comfort. I will speak to your potential. These are the 4 base masculine skills every man needs to masculine. Learn them or be ruled by the world. 1. Emotional mastery. To be masculine is to rule your inner kingdom. Emotions are like wild horses. They do not disappear, but they must be tamed. The man who yells when he's angry, cries in chaos, or pleads for approval is not a warrior. He is a boy in a man's body. I once was that boy, but I learned to stand in the storm and feel everything without reacting. Like a lighthouse, unshaken by the crashing waves, I became still. You must become like stone, strong, ancient, deliberate. Do not be cold, but be calm. Anger, sadness, fear, let them come. Feel them, but do not let them control your actions. 2. Relentless discipline. Discipline is not sexy. It's not fireworks or fame. It's doing push-ups in a dark room when no one sees. It's walking away from short-term pleasure to build a long-term empire. Discipline is not motivation. Motivation dies. Discipline is when you show up regardless, like a blacksmith forging a sword again and again. Hammer, sweat, fire, repeat, until the blade is worthy. That blade is your life. I woke up every day for a year at 5 a.m. Not because I liked it, because I had to. Because the man I wanted to become demanded it. Discipline is how you become a man others can depend on. 3. Strategic solitude. You must learn to walk alone. There will be nights you feel like nobody understands you. Good. That means you're on the right path. A lion doesn't lose sleep over the opinions of sheep. When you are alone, your thoughts echo louder. And that's exactly what you need, to confront them, not escape them. The world will offer you noise, distractions, and fake brotherhood. But a masculine man sits in the silence and listens to his conscience. Do not fear solitude. Embrace it. Like the ancient warriors who sat by fires, sharpening their blades under the stars, you sharpen your mind, alone. Remember, like the video and subscribe to my channel Wired Stoic on YouTube and follow me on TikTok to be always reminded of becoming more stoic, masculine, and successful every day. 4. The power to walk away. If you are not willing to walk away, you are not free. You are not masculine. You are owned. The ability to leave a job, a woman, a friend group, or a situation that disrespects your values is what makes you a man. I have walked away from people I loved, and it hurt. But it was right. A man with no boundaries is like a castle without walls. He gets invaded over and over again. Create your values like pillars of marble. Stand on them. And if someone tries to make you compromise them, walk. You don't negotiate with disrespect. You leave. The world does not need more agreeable men. The world needs men of substance, men of stone, men who bleed, break, and rebuild without complaint. Learn emotional mastery. Live with relentless discipline, embrace strategic solitude, and always have the power to walk away. This is the path. It's not easy, but it's worth it. You are not here to feel good. You are here to become great.